my channel, I share lots of fun, fresh, and sometimes healthy recipes with you. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the deliciousness. I partnered with a local pizza shop here in Duluth, Georgia, 2 New Yorkers Pizza, and picked up a convenient take-home pizza kit. This pizza kit comes with everything you need to make the perfect pizza. The chef provides you with fresh-made pizza dough, pepperoni, shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh pizza sauce, and semolina flour for when you're rolling out your dough. Of course, I'm gonna add my twist to the pizza, so we're gonna add on a few extra toppings, but for the most part, everything you need is in the take-home pizza kit. If you're not in Duluth, Georgia, you can go ahead and pick up pre-made pizza dough from your local grocery store. Everything else is really whatever toppings you want, whatever you have a taste for.
Alright, so first we just started chopping up some of our extra toppings, getting our mise en place together, everything in its place. I was just chopping up some bella mushrooms. I love mushrooms on pizza. And then I went ahead and started kneading out the dough. So when you first start, before you start rolling it out into the desired shape, just start kind of kneading it out, massaging it with the palm of your hands before you start rolling it out. Then you get your rolling pin, make sure it's covered in semolina flour so it doesn't start sticking to the pin, and get it to your desired shape and your desired size. A pizza dough this size, you don't want to spread it out too much because then it'll get a little thin. Alright, so once our dough was to the perfect size, we just went ahead and started putting on our toppings. Not a whole lot of stuff. I don't like a soggy pizza with just too many toppings. It gets a little bit overwhelming for me. So just put the cheese on first, a little bit of sauce, some pepperoni, went ahead and started putting on our bella mushrooms, and then some fresh basil. Just ripped it up. Doesn't have to be perfect.
We're gonna go ahead and season this with a little bit of dried oregano, just all over. Don't want to get too crazy. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush the crust with a little bit of garlic oil. This is gonna make sure the crust gets nice and golden and crispy. I don't have a brush, so we'll just use a spoon. Ooh, I'm so excited. My mouth has been watering as I was listening and waiting for the pizza to finish in the oven. I can't wait. Let's see. Wow. That's so good. The crust is perfect. The sauce is amazing. The perfect amount of ingredients. So good. So good. Follow me on Instagram at Chef Rianni and share your pizza pictures with me. I would love to see how they come out. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for this channel so you never miss any of the delicious recipes I share.